Hey guys, I hope everybody's taking care and being blessed today. Today's video is going to be a little something different. I'm going to be showing you guys how to be able to get chili stains, spaghetti stains, tea stains, any type of, I'm not going to say any type of stains, but a good bit of stains out of your cups, your plates, your bowls, all that good stuff. What you're going to be needing is some Dawn. You guys know I love Dawn, so you know that was going to be number one. And you're going to be using some baking soda. Baking soda can be used for so many different things. So many different things. I particularly got this brand, but it don't have to be this brand. I'm going to be cleaning the inside. That's a blooper. Did you see the water went out? I'm going to be cleaning the inside of this cup. It was actually even worse, but I wanted to get it on video. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to wait to clean the rest of it, but just want to at least show this to you. And you'll be needing also a scouring pad. What's going on in my mouth? A scouring pad. What I also left for you guys is this is the microwave cover. You know, when you are putting stuff over, when you can cover your stuff in the microwave. I love this. I made a video of this. It has chili. Just ate some chili. Got chili on it, so I wanted to show you guys how I got that off too. So let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget right now, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell also. So I'm going to wait on you. Go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and do it. So what you're going to do is you can put a little bit of baking soda and a little bit of Dawn. It don't take much. And all you want to do is just take your little scrubby and just get it all nice and clean in there. Just get it clean, get a good scrub. And it don't take that much. And the good thing about it is it actually makes your hands soft. It's something about baking soda that makes your hands soft. Okay guys. Okay, y'all almost there. Let me just wipe the sides real quick like, and I'm going to show you guys what we are working with afterwards. Here we go. Told you guys, I'm telling you, this will take away any stains that you have in your cups or your plates. And let's go ahead. I actually thought the camera was going, but it wasn't. We're going to go ahead and just do this again. So like I said, just put baking soda all on it. It don't take a lot. If you got something that's really been sitting for a long time, you can let the baking soda sit for a little bit. Okay, and just scrape her on up. Use your little scouring pad. You get all in between the crevices. And there you have it, y'all. This had chili all over it. When I say all over it, I mean all over it. And now that it's gone. So I'm telling you guys, if you are trying to get rid of chili stains, spaghetti stains, tea stains, try that. Baking soda. And I like to always follow up with just a little dab of Dawn. Okay guys, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will check you guys out later. I have a lot of videos of how to clean. Make sure you check those out also, so don't forget to subscribe so you can see them all. Bye guys.